Hey, welcome back to PaleoNick.com. Tuna the second way has arrived. It's gonna be tuna Nicoise. The pans are heating up, so stay tuned for this one. All right, so I've got a pot here with about a ½ inch of simmering water. Just gonna drop some green beans in there. I've trimmed the ends off. These are called les haricots verts. Les haricots verts, right? Green bean in French. I don't hear me speak much French, but I got that one down. Corinne Leblanc, that's for you. We're gonna let those steam for a minute. I've got an ice bath right here. When the beans come out, we'll shock them. That'll provide a nice vibrant green color and stop them from cooking. That way they'll stay crunchy like this. We've got our tuna over here, and it's looking a little tired. You can kind of see a little discoloration around the sides, but still good enough to eat. So let's season that up. Salt, pepper, and then I'll give it a little drizzle here. Boom, boom. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Pan's nice and hot. A little cross grain there. Boom. All right, well, that stuff is rocking. I've got a sweet potato here. Pre-cook that. Let's just see if we can get the skin off. So I'm just scraping away the peel here. I roasted this off at 350, wrapped in some foil. It took about 45 minutes, but the goal is to keep it nice and firm so that when we toss it with the other veggies, it doesn't break all apart. Okay? Let's check in on our tuna here. Boom. Give her a flip. Bam. And normally I make diamonds in my pretty much everything that I grill, but because we want to keep this pretty like rare, medium rare, we're just gonna put one set of marks on each side. All right, so we'll take a look at our beans. They're coming along. I'm gonna say 2 more minutes on those. We'll come back over here, and I've got a couple heirloom tomatoes. Just cut the core off of that one, and this one's pretty radical, right? It's got a nice color to it. I'll make some room on this plate, and we'll pull our tuna right about there. You can see on the side, just a nice sear on each one. Let's see, you know, something like that. Let it rest here. I'll just set it aside. We're finished prepping the salad. All right, now that we've got our tomato size figured out, we'll go into our sweet potato. Kind of do something similar. 1, 2, something like that. And then with our eggs, really nervous. Now we already taught you how to hard boil an egg. That's in one of the previous posts. So I'll link that on this post. But our goal, we did get a little bit of greenage right around there. Overall, I'm pretty happy with that. All right. Looking you liking or what? Okay, beans. We're gonna call those good. Just pull one out. Test it. Okay. Well, from here, right into the ice water. Boom. Okay, so I've pulled the beans from the ice bath. See that vibrant green color? Still nice and crunchy, right where we like them. I'm gonna toss the tomatoes in there. Sweet potatoes. Leave the eggs off on the side. And then I've got my caper vinaigrette. We already made that, right? I already showed you. So you got that going. That in there. And then one last little touch, my friend Laurel Tesoro. She's actually in, like, I think she's in Nice right now, come to think of it. She made me a salad like this once. Some fresh dill in it, if I can remember correctly. So we'll get some fresh dill in there. Toss this up. Nice and gently, we don't want to destroy our sweet potatoes. All right, so here we go. I've got a plate laid out. Some of the beans along the bottom. Nice and full. More tomatoes in here. Into that, we'll add, boom. Boom. See that? Oh. And then just get in there with our eggs. Okay, and then last but not least, we have our olive tapenade. It's in our quiver. We've already learned how to make that one. Top each one with just a little dollop of that. Boom. And just for kicks, why not a nice drizzle of aged balsamic? Okay, so tuna the second way. This is tuna niçoise for 2. I'm Paleo Nick. Thanks for watching. Remember today to earn your shower.